The Night Owl SP 2K DVR system delivers sharp 2K resolution recording that makes it easier to identify faces, license plates, and small details in your surveillance footage. Its two-way audio support, when paired with compatible cameras, allows you to both listen in and talk back, which can be very useful for deterring unwanted visitors or guiding delivery drivers. The 12-channel design gives you plenty of room to expand, supporting a mix of wired, wireless internet protocol, and doorbell cameras, so you can cover a whole home or small business from a single recorder. Because it relies on a wired closed-circuit connection and local hard drive storage, the system keeps your video under your own control instead of pushing everything to a cloud service. The companion mobile application is straightforward to use and lets you check live feeds and recordings remotely without ongoing subscription fees or surprise charges. Human and vehicle detection alerts sent to your mobile device help you focus on meaningful motion events instead of being flooded with notifications from every swaying branch or passing shadow.